Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time of coming across my video, if it's your first time of watching any of my video, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. For my returning subscribers, for my returning viewers, thank you so much for your support. God bless you. So guys, on this video I'm going to show you how I was able to achieve this twisting or twist. Yeah, how I was able to twist this hair, unlike our normal box braiding. For a start, I started with box braiding from the root. I did like 3 or 4 steps. So after braiding it 3 or 4 steps, then I divided one of the braid to have two, so that I will be able to twist. You cannot twist with 3 braid, so you can see what I'm doing there. So you twist it from there to the end, but you have to twist it tight, or else you have a loose twist and it is not good. So you have to make it tight to twist it, as you can see what I'm doing. So guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment on the comment section. Tell me what you think about the hair, whether you like the hairstyle, or you'll be able to do it, or you have already done it before. And please share the video if you can, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so guys, just sit back and enjoy the video. So let's go. guys, isn't this hair beautiful? Look at the final result, as you can see. So I believe if you have watched up on this time, you have given the video a thumbs up. Even if you have not, it's not too late. Okay, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, on your notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notification. Okay, so that immediately I upload video, bagam, you hear the notification on your phone. Okay, so guys, I will see you guys on my next video. For now.